Let's start with the book. In this page, we answer the question of the opening activity and after we see the unique goals. In this activity, we complete each sentence with a word from the box and then discuss the positive and negative aspects of the money and answer personal questions. After that, we read the lecture of the meaning of money and underline the verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. After that, we complete the sentence with information previously read. Then we study the chart for answer the activity F, writing if the underlined word is a verb, adjective, or adverbs. Later, we study the chart's quantifiers plus of and complete each sentence if need or not. And then we complete the paragraph with the sentence in the box, writing the letters of the correct answer. In this activity, we read the article and in activity B, complete the sentence with the right word in the box and check our answer. After that, we tell to your partner some of your personal financial rules. In the activity D, we study the information and in the E, we choose the best topic sentence for a paragraph below. Later, we listen the conversation in the track 10 and answer true or false respectively, and we need to listen again and circle the letter of the topic sentence. In this exercise, we study another chart and we rewrite the sentence with a relative clause and answer the paragraph with the right letter. In the activity A, we do a brainstorm about a business that is producing a product sustainable, and in the research activity, we make a list of WH questions about it, and then we share our information with a partner and present to our classmates. In this activity, we look the picture and answer 2 questions about it. Then, quickly scan the article of the next page and circle the correct word corresponding. And finally, we read in depth the article and answer the questions. In this page, after studying information, we complete the chart about the adjective in the next activity. We answer the question, and in the exercise D, we review the words, and in the exercise E, we put vocabulary words in the correct category. In this page, we answer the questions in our notebook, and after we review the unique goals. In this exercise, we complete each sentence with a word from the brown box, and then we talk with a partner about some of the luxury goods you see when you go shopping, and finally we answer the question of the activity C. After they read the lecture of the previous page, we answer true or false as appropriate. Later, we study the chart of the exercise E and underline in the exercise F the word or words that the bolded reference words refer to. After that, we study another chart, and in the next activity, we complete the sentence with the adverb form of the word in parentheses. And finally, we write the word of the correct phrase on the line. In this page, we read the article, and after that, we write the word in the box in the correct definition. And finally, we tell to our partner which information for the article is interesting for you. Then we need to study the chart, finding reason and explanation for understand the text, fact, and question. After we read both, we find and underline 2 reasons for the fact, and after we listen the track 13 and answer true or false in the exercise F and the question of the exercise G. In the next page, we read another chart of information and answer the activity I, writing if a progressive verb, an adjective, is or a gerund. And after that, we complete the paragraph with the phrase in the box. And finally, we need to go to any website of this and do WH question about any news in the website. And in the activity B, write them and answer them. Then share the information with your partner and present to our classmates. In this activity, we will need to see the picture, quickly scan the article and read in deep also, and answer the exercise A, B, and C. And the last activities we do in the partial way was read this information and write what are the words involved. If a verb, a plural noun, or a possessive noun, and after that review the vocabulary words and classify in the activity D. Let's start with the notebook. First of all, we write the criteria of evaluation and we sign it and also our parents. Then we do the activity Construyete about answer questions about which is the importance of know how to answer our doubts. After that, we write questions about the money and we answer them. Later, we do a chart with the positives and negative aspects of the money. After, we do a graphic organization about part of a speech and do a homework where we need to read the page 36, the meaning of money, and by columns identify nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, pronouns, quantifiers, articles, and prepositions. In the next class, we write 5 examples of sentences that use of and don't use of. Then answer questions about the making of a budget. Then the teacher gives us a book where in partner we have to identify the title, how many paragraphs the book has, the topic, and the main idea of each paragraph. And after that, we need to copy and answer the exercise that the book has and a little questionnaire. And the time we read a text. After that, we answer a question of the globalization coming in the book. The next activity was write the principal ideas of each paragraph of the text from coins to credit cards of the page 43 and the flower trade of the page 57. Also write the synonyms of the bold words in the text, the flower trade. We read 3 charts of the text global trade of the page 49 and get main ideas for each one in Spanish and answer a question and then draw a graphic organized about it. Then we grab another book and we count the number of paragraphs, find the topic, and write the main ideas of each paragraph in Spanish and do a graphic organized of the book. Then we copy and answer the activities of the book and answer the questionnaire and the time we read a text. In the next activity, we created a crossword of the word we don't understood of the 2 previous books. We read and then we copy and answer a crossword that the teacher created. After, we write the main ideas of each theme of the exposition of the people who owe points to teacher qualification. And finally, we answer a questionnaire of a text that the teacher gave us and find the topic also. Thanks for watching.